The entire Quixel library and Sketchfab's 3D model have been moved into Fab, Epic's new marketplace that was announced several months ago. Since the new platform will require payment starting in 2025, you might wonder what this means for Twinmotion and especially for the Quixel and Sketchfab libraries within it. For now and in the near future, nothing will change for Twinmotion users. All 3D objects and materials from Megascans and Sketchfab can still be used for free directly within Twinmotion, so there is no need to worry. The only downside for me is that Quixel Bridge is no longer available for download. I found it fantastic for previewing assets and materials before using them inside Twinmotion. Navigating the Megascan library directly within Twinmotion has always felt a bit cumbersome to me, since it lacks previews of the 3D models and materials, unlike the classic Twinmotion library. However, the Megascan website is still available and has the same structure as in Twinmotion. To view previews, go to the Quixel Megascan website, click Stay Here and check the left column. The first 4 categories there match the section found in Twinmotion. Look up what you need on the Megascan side and then find the corresponding 3D model or material in Twinmotion following the same path. This process though won't be available indefinitely. As of recently, the Fab library has been integrated into Unreal Engine, and free or purchased 3D models and materials can already be added to Unreal projects. Consequently, Twinmotion will also integrate Fab as the new library in the future, probably replacing Quixel and Sketchfab, as noted in the Twinmotion roadmap under the Under Consideration section. Finally, make sure to download all the Megascans assets in Fab by the end of 2024, before they become paid. The route is, go to fab.com, log in with your Epic Games account, the same one you use for Twinmotion, and click on Claim Now under Get All Quixel Megascans for Free section. Now the entire Megascan library is yours. This, however, is independent of Twinmotion. Owning the Megascan library lets you download these assets and use them in any other 3D modeling or rendering software outside Twinmotion, which already has them included. Thank you so much for watching this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future content, like the video so you can help me with the algorithm, and suggest me in the comments what topic you'd like me to cover in the next video. That said, I wish you a good day or evening and see you very soon. Ciao!